Yo bros, this is We2Play, the Brent Brushworks of YouTube, with another live update. In case you have not been on my Facebook page, I need to send my Nintendo Switch. It's hard to tell it's a Switch, but trust me, it's the Switch. I need to send that into Nintendo because I've been having problems with the right Joy-Con. It acts like it wants me to... It acts like I'm pushing the Joy-Con stick down when I'm not. And it started happening to the left one too. Nabbit. Hold on. So, I'm going to be sending that into Nintendo for repairs. Which means most Switch content that I've been displaying will be put on hiatus. Except for Super Mario Odyssey, because I've recorded a bunch of videos on that, and I just haven't uploaded them yet. So until I get my Switch, there'll be no more Legend of Zelda, Snipper Clips, or whatever the other game is, Splatoon 2, until I get my Switch back. Now there is a chance that perhaps... and this is just a slim chance, but it could still happen, I might lose all my save data. That means everything that I've recorded on YouTube, I'm going to have to play all over again. Now, since I have a capture card, that wouldn't be much of a problem, because I can record some of that stuff in HD. But Super Mario Odyssey is the one game I've spent the most time on. Take a look at my Facebook page. I've done a lot on it. I've teased about it, but I've done a lot on Super Mario Odyssey. So today, I'm officially sending the Switch into Nintendo for repairs. I really, really hope it works out for me. Just wish me the best of luck. With that said, I don't want to just end off on a somber note like that, so I'm going to be opening 2 Pokemon trading cards. I'm going to be opening Sun and Moon, and for the very first time, I'll be opening a pack of Crimson Invasion, the newest Pokemon cards to be shown. Let's see. I hope I'm recording this right. Last time I recorded one of these videos, the picture looked weird, like it was turned around. Anyways, like I said, I don't have much time, so I'm going to do this quickly. I guess I could let in just a little bit more light. Yep, that's better. You can definitely see the cards packed better. I have a lot to do, including sending the package in. Plus, I'm going to treat myself to dinner because I am worth it. And I want to do something for myself for Christmas before all the craziness happens. Here is a code card. Look at it, scan it, because I'm not using it. 1, 2, 3. That is the card trick, easiest way to do it. We have Big Malasada, Poliwhirl, Lillipup, Wingull, Snubble, Carnivore, Zubat. The reverse holo is going to be Togedemaru, and the rare Nice is going to be in the Lowland Muck holo. I like that. Now, without further ado, the brand new Crimson Invasion. Could this one card pack that I dragged down my Lucky Get backpack from a video you probably didn't get to see, could it possibly have something special in it? I'm not showing you that code card. You only get one per video. Alright, here we go. For the first time ever, Crimson Invasion. We have Larion, Lusamine, Grumpig, Punkaboo, Swablu, Carablast, Skiddo, cute, Chimecho, I think. Another Punkaboo is going to be a reverse, and the rare will be Registeel. Not bad. Alright, so that is the cards. Like I said, I gotta go. A lot to do. My ride is about to show up, so I'm gonna turn this off, start uploading stuff, and I'm gonna send my Nintendo Switch to Nintendo headquarters. So again, wish me luck on that. Until my next videos, wherever they may be, this has been We to Play. Got nothing left to say. Enjoy your day. Catch you later.